How to pay down debt quickly. There are several strategies you can use to pay down debt quickly. 1. Make a budget. The first step to paying down debt is to understand where your money is going. Make a budget to track your income and expenses so you can see where you can cut back and redirect those funds towards paying off your debt. 2. Pay more than the minimum payment. Try to pay more than the minimum payment each month. This will help you pay off your debt faster and save money on interest in the long run. 3. Consider a debt consolidation loan. If you have multiple debts, consider consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your debt and pay it off faster. 4. Negotiate a lower interest rate. If you have a good credit score, you may be able to negotiate a lower interest rate on your credit card or loan. This will allow you to pay off your debt faster and save money on interest. 5. Use the debt avalanche method. With the debt avalanche method, you focus on paying off your debt with the highest interest rate first, while paying the minimum on your other debts. Once you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate, you move on to the next highest, and so on. This can save you a lot of money in the long run because you'll be paying less in interest. 6. Use the debt snowball method. With the debt snowball method, you focus on paying off your smallest debts first, while paying the minimum on your larger debts. Once you pay off your smallest debt, you move on to the next smallest, and so on. This can be a good option if you need some quick wins to help stay motivated. 7. Consider a balance transfer credit card. If you have credit card debt with a high interest rate, you may be able to save money by transferring your balance to a credit card with a lower interest rate. Just be sure to read the fine print and understand any fees that may be associated with the balance transfer. 8. Get a second job or increase your income. If you have extra time and are able to do so, consider getting a second job or finding ways to increase your income. This can help you pay off your debt faster and improve your financial situation overall. If you need help with getting out of debt, click the link in the description for great resources that will help you accomplish this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Thanks for